Hey there! I'm super excited to share with you what I've learned on becoming an Azure administrator, especially because I want you to truly grasp the essence of the skills and knowledge one needs to effectively manage Azure environments. You know, Microsoft Azure is no longer just about having virtual machines and cloud storage, it's about designing secure, scalable, and efficient cloud-based solutions. If you are thinking of diving into the Azure world, that's awesome, and today, I'm gonna guide you through the prerequisites needed so you can ace Azure administration with confidence. Azure's ecosystem is massive, from Azure Active Directory and Azure Government to Azure Backup and Azure Sentinel. Each of these services is like a piece in a complex puzzle where Azure administrators play a pivotal role in keeping things running smoothly. Picture yourself orchestrating this symphony. It requires not just technical knowledge but also strategic foresight and attention to detail. But before we can master this environment, we need to brush up on a few skills and acquire knowledge about Azure services. Let's start by expanding your understanding of cloud services and their architecture. We can't ignore the importance of hybrid environments where cloud solutions integrate seamlessly with existing on-premises systems. To tackle this, knowledge of Azure Stack and related technologies becomes essential. As you probably know, the Azure platform offers numerous services targeted at specific needs. When it comes to cloud computing, Azure services are comprehensive, from computing to networking to storage, and even to AI and machine learning. Being an Azure administrator means you need to be well-versed in these services and understand how to leverage them effectively for maximum business value. Now let's bring in certifications. Hands-on certification exams from Microsoft like the Azure Fundamentals, Professional Data Center Virtualization, and various specialized exams in security and compliance are not just a checklist. They're milestones on your journey to becoming a trusted Azure admin. These certifications can open doors to new opportunities and reinforce your credibility when interacting with clients who may not be as tech-savvy. In the realm of enterprise-grade systems, the complexity of multi-tier architectures, load balancing, and scaling out services across regions must be understood like the back of your hand. Knowledge about network design, like WAN optimization, security policies, and bandwidth management, becomes second nature. It's not just about setting things up. It's about anticipating needs and creating robust plans that can handle fluctuating demands. Monitoring and performance tuning are akin to a doctor for your systems, as they need to diagnose issues and prescribe treatments to keep your digital infrastructure healthy and responsive. Azure Monitor and Application Insights are vital tools in this context, yet hands-on experience with Azure Logic Apps and Service Fabric can also significantly enhance your efficiency in managing complex workflows and ensuring high availability. Security is the thread that holds together the fabric of Azure environments. Diving deep into Azure Security Center, understanding network segmentation, and mastering identity and access management through Azure Active Directory are pillars in protecting your digital assets. Moreover, when disaster strikes, Azure's orchestration capabilities through Azure DevOps and Azure Resource Manager templates help to rebuild resilience quickly. Behind every successful Azure deployment is the knowledge of governance, compliance, and managing change control. Whether it's meeting industry regulations or implementing best practices, the discipline of applying enterprise-grade methods to an ever-growing cloud environment is what sets apart the good from the great. As we wrap up, remember that Azure administration is a continuous journey of learning and growth. Always be curious, Stay updated with Azure updates, trends, and future plans that can influence the roadmap of your organization's cloud journey. Now that you have a taste of what it takes, let me end by inviting you to take the first step. Dive into these prerequisites, grasp the knowledge, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident Azure administrator. Want to learn more and stay updated with all the changes and tips? You can check out the detailed guides on Neeraj's website. Oh, and by the way, do subscribe to TechLab, a hub for everyone in the tech community to share their insights and always continue learning. See you there.